Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how can I view my saved tracks in Soundful. Are you eager to dive into your saved musical treasures within Soundful? Let's unravel the simple steps to reveal your creative collection. So, let us begin. If you are wondering how to access your cherished musical tracks, let's start by heading to the My Library section. Once you are inside your library, keep an eye out of the Types button. This button serves as your key to meticulously organizing your saved content. Upon clicking the Types button, you are bestowed with the ability to tailor your view. Eager to focus solely on your saved tracks? Just choose Tracks. And if you are inclined towards loops, select Loops. For a comprehensive perspective, go ahead and opt for both. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly unlock and savor the tracks you have preserved throughout your Soundful journey. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.